Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in the BingX application using your smartphone. To change your language on BingX is super easy. Launch open your BingX application on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page of BingX, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu, click on Preferences and under Preferences, tap on the language option. Select a different language you want to change to from the list, and once you do that, you will be able to restart your BingX app with the new selected language. You can always get back to the same menu and choose a different language of your preference whenever you want to change your language for the interface. So that's it, your application language will then change immediately. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.